Not too far from downtown Crestline is a one-of-a-kind residence distinguished by its bold black exterior and distinctive Victorian-style elements. This Crestline home features intricately designed woodwork, ornate fixtures, and classic Victorian charm, all thoughtfully integrated to create an inviting and stylish atmosphere. You wouldn't want to miss a virtual showing of this remarkable home, and we're getting after it right now. If you are new to this channel and would like to know everything about living in Crestline, buying or selling your home in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you will be the first to know about the current market in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities. My name is Alma Borcuk with the Living in Lake Arrowhead, California team. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to buy or sell their home in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're making your move in 9 days or 90 days, shoot us a text or send us an email. We're here ready to help the buying or selling of your home in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, a smooth and stress-free experience. Today, I'm conducting a virtual showing of a unique home called the Hillside House, and it is currently an active short-term rental. Every corner of this residence showcases a blend of elegance and contemporary flair, and it's perfect for those with a taste for the extraordinary, and this captivating property is a true testament to individual style and sophisticated design. Conveniently located near downtown Crestline and Lake Gregory, this home is ideal not only as a short-term rental, but also as a primary or vacation residence. So now let's take a drive through Crestline town and head on down to the house I am showcasing today. This home is listed for $399,999. It has one bedroom, a full bathroom, and a half bath. The living space is 816 square feet. which gives us a price of $490 per square foot. The lot size is 3,740 square feet, and it was built in 1989. The main floor boasts an open layout that seamlessly combines a cozy living room with a fireplace, a kitchen, and a half bathroom. Upstairs, the luxurious primary bedroom features a classic clawfoot bathtub, elegantly positioned within the room, offering a unique and relaxing retreat. The top floor also includes a three-quarter bathroom and a spacious deck that extends from the side of the house, wrapping around to a staircase that gracefully descends to the backyard. And in the backyard, you'll find a jacuzzi and a turf grass area, perfect for lounging, relaxing, or evening stargazing. This three-story home features a spacious two-car attached garage on the lower floor, right here. This home has been an income-generating short-term rental. Furnishings and all business materials such as website, logos, etc. are available for additional cost. This home is quite unique and very impressive with its intricate and very ornate features. It is truly one of a kind. If you are interested in this home or any other listing in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, then feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is in the description below, and be sure to check my other videos in which I feature other homes and neighborhoods in Crestline, Lake Arrowhead, and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell for notifications so you will be alerted when I post a new video. I bet you can't wait to join me on a virtual showing of this truly unique, one-of-a-kind mountain home. So let's go and enjoy the showing.